Hello friends, let's make a super cute looking cross. Actually, we're painting it, not making it. We are going to use some Posh chalk metallic paste in the color black carbon. I'm going to add some water to this. It is a thick paste. We add water to make it into a paint. We're going to paint the complete cross in this color. And I'm just going to continue adding layers because this stuff covers really good, but this is going to require several layers of paint. This is our first layer. We will dry this and we'll add another one of the same black carbon. I think you guys will be pleased with the results. This turns out so beautiful. We're going to give that a good dry. So pretty. I love this color. I think this color is absolutely beautiful. You could leave it this color and not do anything else to it, and it would be totally gorgeous just sitting in your home like this. But I think that I want to take it to the next level, so I'm going to go ahead and paint it more of the black carbon on here. And then we are going to grab some of the green, I want to say Phatho. I can't never say it, y'all. Phatho. It's F-H-T-H-A-L-O, phthalo. And we're going to add water to it as well. I'm going to continue stirring it. Once I get it to the certain paste, I just start adding it to the cross. And I'm just brushing across it a little at a time. Layers, like I said, y'all, layers. I love the turquoise on this black. It just really brings it out. Isn't this gorgeous, you guys? Okay, and then I'm going to just continue painting all of this. Get what I need on there, and then I'm going to grab a pigment, and we are going to add some copper pigment in a little container with some Posh pigment infuser to make a beautiful little paint. I'm just going to stir that up, and we're just going to go over the top of this. This is going to add a sheen over the top of this, you guys. This is going to look kind of like a patina over the top of it. And then I'm going to come in, and we're going to give this a dry. I'm going to put this along the bottom here. I'm just making sure that we've got all of it covered, the back. And we're not putting a ton. We're just barely grazing over it, putting just a little bit of color to it. Then I'm going to add some Rub and Buff. I'm going back in with some Rub and Buff. Like I said, several layers, you guys, several layers. And then once I get my Rub and Buff on here, look at that, y'all. Isn't it beautiful? Just going to go around the whole entire base with that. That gold just adds an extra layer. And then I'm looking for some Totally Dazzled right now. We're going to put a beautiful piece of Totally Dazzled on here. And it is really going to make this little cross just pop. It's going to be so pretty on here. This is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I absolutely love the way it turned out with all the patina and all the colors. Have a great day, guys, and thank you for joining me.